Today is the day that I tackle this clothes. This is clothes that I've been wanting to put on my Poshmark and I just have not done it because I'm so lazy. But I'm tired of seeing it there. I need to put it in storage and I need to stop thinking about that. So I'm gonna do that today for sure. And I guess I'll show my room. Okay, so I hung up all of my clothes and it's like coming along. I still have to do some things. This box is things that were in my vanity, but the vanity that I had before was a little too big, so I had to sell it, and now I'm looking for a smaller one. Same with this was all in my like vanity and stuff, and same with this table is gonna go to donation, and then this mirror is eventually gonna be moved to my living room. It's like the really big mirror that I bought Urban Outfitters a year ago, and then that mirror I thrifted and that will stay here. Eventually in the future, get rid of this rug. It's so dark and it makes the room look darker and I don't like it at all, but that is just gonna have to wait because it's like all like outside going into the living room. So I'm finally done taking pictures of everything. Literally just taking pictures. I still have to write descriptions down and then post it. It took me an hour and 10 minutes. So alright, so I'm gonna start writing the descriptions down for everything that I took pictures of and start posting it. I already have things posted on there if anybody's interested. So I'm gonna make myself a quick breakfast slash lunch. White rice, spam, and eggs. This is the spam that I'm using. I know a lot of people don't like spam. At least like a lot of the people that I know. But we love it. Slice this really thin. Cut it into really thin-ish slices. And I'm just gonna fry them, and while that's frying I'm gonna make some eggs, and I'm gonna be using this rice. I love white rice. I eat white rice with everything, but sometimes I just don't want to cook it because it takes so long. So I recently went to Costco with my mom and I found these, and I honestly just saw this and was like, this is gonna be perfect for when I feel lazy. And I'll just pop this in the microwave and I'll be ready. And that's exactly how I feel right now. I'm lazy. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds rice, so I'll do that one last. So I'm just gonna wait for that to cook for about 35 minutes, and then when it's almost crispy and almost ready, I'm gonna make my eggs and then I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. I like my spam to be like extra crispy, like almost burnt, so I just literally leave it here for a while. My dinner is ready. The rice looks good, but let me just squeeze it a little bit so it looks like I made it and not like it came out of a little perfect circled container. But it looks good, it smells good. I'm just gonna drizzle sriracha all over this. Can't wait to eat it. went to TJ Maxx today and I found a Fenty Beauty highlighter for $7.99. $7.99, because I have never seen Fenty Beauty at TJ Maxx before. Now the thing is that a lot of makeup at TJ Maxx and Marshalls is always like cracked, so I'm hoping that this is not. Oh, look at the shades. Let's hope that it's not broken. It's not even swatched. Are you kidding me? I bought a Fenty highlighter for $7.99 at TJ Maxx. This is so beautiful. My camera is on top of my K-Cups box. I had to sit down because I wasn't going to be able to show you. This is a mini Trader Joe's haul. First thing is this plants. I love getting plants from Trader Joe's because they're not expensive, I think, and they always stay alive longer than like you would think. We got some yogurts. I love just like plain Greek yogurt, but I did get like some plain ones. I got a couple of them. My girlfriend got mango Greek yogurt, which sounds really good, and she also got a guava passion fruit. This also sounds good. I got some cheese blitz. I like eating these for breakfast with coffee. These are really good. I've had these before. I got some salmon. I love salmon. I could eat salmon and white rice every single day if I could, but I don't. I also got my favorite flatbread ever. This is the mushroom and black truffle flatbread. This is delicious. I love this. I get this every single time I go if it's in stock, because sometimes they don't have it in stock. Okay, let me put this in the fridge. Some grape tomatoes. We got a huge block of Parmesan cheese, some mint, some basil for the pasta. We also got this. These are the jalapeno seasoned corn and rice puffs. Some wine French rolls. And the last thing I have is actually a skincare product. I love the argan oil from there. This is my second time repurchasing this. This doesn't really count, but we thought these were cute, so we got the disposable fork and spoon they have at the end when you're paying. That is everything.